Welcome guys, Greenback back again with another reaction video. Today I react to RYGIN KING, you see me? And name One Time. So I'll check out this and see what I go on for this, you see me? And welcome to all the new subscribers and welcome back to all of the returning subscribers. Big up on yourself, you see me? So let's begin. What? Let's look like half a tree. Look like half a tree. Yeah, man, half a tree this man. No, New Kingston. Before me even start, everybody him have a unique type of voice, you see me? As me I say, I have certain dancehall artists where you can know them differently from them style of singing, or before them start that video, them a style or them just bring it off with, you see me? Be more unique. Cool. Wow, them real Cheryl acting her face, she not innocent, and then she like it wild, on the wild side.
Okay, different. I cup the pussy for me, girl, and feel the land. We keep us so high, just like the clouds there. She said me full of flow, just like the cable dam. Filipina come in and my money me spend. My heart man I beat them like a leather bag. My fingers are freeze, call me the weatherman.
But them fingers are freeze, call him the weatherman. Icy, you see me? Now all the tickers in the hotel room or something, in the hotel lobby.
I style them a lead, frighten the fuck of them. I know I can't believe I told y'all in my room for a reason. I style the name chaser.
What the hell? What boy is that?
Pretty little features. Me have them on them knees and them have my toe balls, them a keeper. Hey, where they anywhere the weed, yo. The two slow speed up. She said, King, if I leave, I better say I'm going bad for the media. Fuck what you have up a seed, yeah. Fuck that girl,
yeah.
I'm a mature about your weed.
Shag hard, pon it, dude.
I'll buy anything you need, but you send me all the beat on the beat, yeah. I do my fuck her, make a mean she weak up. And dip on my chest, me heart clean down. Them well want to see the light blink on. Jumping on the block, piece and speed up. Me left the place in a mess, me get the visa. All them up a test, hey man a leader. Yeah, me just look on my phone and a couple girls say link up later. And me a pray which one figure link right after me beard up. Don't know we have a streets favor. I just get a message and it's
enough.
She love when me I be a fucker hard. What's send me in my files, me say me sweet God. You remember just a work and she need my body.
Oh, there we go down, bro.
And me feel the same way, sorry, neck my girl. Baby, she said me slap her in her face cause she not innocent. Fuck her with a different scar with different land. Me keep us high just like the clouds them. She said me full of flow just like the cable them. Jewelry I come in and my money me spend. Hard man I beat them like a leather bag. My neck just a freeze, call me the weatherman.
Call him the weatherman. Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction to RYGIN KING One Time, you see me? As me I say, RYGIN KING have like a unique type of voice, you see me? And like him flow still, you see me? That's not bad. Not simple for the man who love the girl or love money or whatever, you see me? RYGIN KING. What a name. Anyway guys, that's the end of the reaction video. Do the things said, like, share, comment and subscribe. Any other reaction you wanna have, link it down in the comment section down below. You see me? Yeah. Peace.